mean, there's a lot of things you can say that are flattering to a woman, but telling her she's 1,000 pounds, or the way the thing weighs is 1,000 pounds. My guy. What's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. If you are new here, I go by the name of Emmanuel. I do a bunch of Afro beats, Afro pop. Check out the rest of the content on this channel and on my main channel as well. I have a weekly countdown on that one, so definitely go check out the rest of the content. Alright, today's video is a special one. Rema, Building Up To, is honestly one of the most anticipated debut albums from a long while. Okay, this is set to be one of the disruptive albums, and I'm looking forward to it. And he just released one of the singles off that album. I think, yeah, one of the singles off the album, and this is called Bounce, and it's apparently produced by the greatest of them all. You know, the greatest ever do it, Don Jazzy. It's going to be interesting to see the synergy that they both have. This is the first Rema song produced by Don Jazzy, and it's a huge, significant move right now. Lately, Don Jazzy's production has been sounding insane. His recent production credit would be the very recent artist from his label that he just rolled out, Ira Star. She has a song called Sare that Don Jazzy produced, and it's absolutely my favorite out of our EP. If you haven't seen my review for that, definitely go check out the card I'm gonna leave up here. But nonetheless, guys, I'm excited for this one. Rema, Bounce. Let's get right into it, shall we? Okay. Upbeat, we're upbeat. Yeah, we're here. Oshé? Hey, this is Don Jazzy, man. Is that a new Don Jazzy tag? Now do the beat jazzy. Okay, we're hearing it.
Now do the beat jazzy.
It has this house feel to it, man. I don't know, it's already ramping up the energy. It has a very house feel to it. I won't go as far as saying this I'm a piano, but I'm getting a very house vibe on this one, man.
Another band.
Okay, those bass notes that he's just hitting right there, it's just seeming like, okay, it's getting to that really electric, energetic Afro house kind of feeling. It reminds me of like that that Destruction Boys kind of energy, you know, that kind of feel to it. Very electronic in a way, man. It's sounding wicked. Okay, those flutes, very distorted. What is going on here, man?
Girl, I'm in love with your booty bounce. Girl, I'm in love with your booty bounce. In love with your booty bounce. Girl, I'm in love with your booty bounce. Girl, I'm in love with your booty bounce. In love with your booty bounce. Girl, I'm in love with your booty bounce. You weigh 1,000 pounds. Girl, it's nice. With a gold.
Says she weighs 1,000 pounds. What? What did he say there? I mean, there's a lot of things you can say that are flattering to a woman, but telling her she's 1,000 pounds, or the way the thing weighs is 1,000 pounds. My guy, I don't think any lady wants to hear that, man. I don't think anyone wants to hear that. She weighs 1,000 pounds. That's hilarious. But I guess it's just trying to fill in the blanks or like rhyming with bounce or something. That's interesting, man. So far, like, it seems kind of. I'll be honest, so far, but let me not jump into conclusions. Let's listen to more of it, man.
You are designer, baby, now you are designer. You're your original, baby, that can like China. Be my wife, make a be your night. Money, nothing concern me. Show you.
Okay. So far, I don't even know where the hook is. I don't know what the meat of the song is. So far, I hate this. This is Don Jazzy, fam. This is Don Jazzy. I hate to say this, man. It's killing me to say it, but the production sounds very. It sounds quite. It's not there. It's not hitting the spot. Even Rema's direction on this is not really that. I hear how aggressive it is, but it's not. well, I can't put a pin on it. Like it's not necessarily like. It seems kind of cheap. The lyrics so far, like the cadence, the flow of it, seems very freestyly. It seems like it's not really punching for a captivating hook yet. Like so far we're like almost halfway through the song and nothing has really captivated me to like want to go back to the song. And the beat just seems like it's flowing on one. It just feels like it feels flat. It feels one dimensional so far. It feels like there's not much peaks to it. There's not much rise. There's not many inflections or alterations to grab you. And so far it's not sounding there. It's not sounding there. But we're halfway through the song. Let's finish it.
You want chop Italian, say you want chop Chinese. I'm in love with your booty bounce. Girl, I'm in love with your booty bounce. In love with your booty bounce.
Okay, so now we're in the back end of the beat. We're hearing something more like almost like an opera kind of atmosphere, very angelic. It feels like there's a lot of like background like vocals that like almost making it like almost like a heaven like scenery that is trying to paint for this. But I don't think it's adding value to it. I don't think it's helping the song. I don't think it's really like, because on Rema's end, it's not really like, it's not picking up yet. It's not picking up.
Love with your booty, booty. You're so fine, I wanna lick you like a lolly. This and that shit is very, very
Bro, what's it saying? There's no way this came out of Rema. There's no way. There's no way the Maven show has allowed this to. No. What's going on? Booty. Like, bro. Rema. No for my hand. Like, bro, what is this? What am I hearing? Nah, there's no way, bro. What's this? Yo. Okay, man. Ladies and gentlemen, where do I start? I think I said most of what I needed to say about this. I'm honestly not excited about this. Not excited. It feels very juvenile. Like I've respected. I don't know, like Rema's songwriting hasn't always been the most like, I don't know, it hasn't, like it's not the most brilliant like songwriting regardless. I'm not even giving him like songwriting like anticipation, so for him to be like I have a heavy pen game. Most of what makes him unique comes from his delivery and how he basically flows, his energy, and that's all here and found. Like his cadence is very much here. That if those inflections that he does with his voice, those Bollywood type inflections I hear, they're present. I feel like this is what Rema would do, but the melody of the song, the vibe of the song, the approach of the song, it feels kind of juvenile. It feels kind of try hard for like a club setting. Like I'm comparing this to a song like Lady. Lady was in its own naturally like a club song, like a club energetic moment. I think that's what he was going for here, but it just seems like a first thought. There were a lot more things to take out from Lady that helped you like get into the song, that helped you like understand, okay, this is not surface level kind of like music making. Right now it feels very surface level. It feels like a first attempt. It feels like a draft. It feels like an idea that it was supposed to build up on something, but for him to keep the words, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna attach myself to the lyrics on this word, because it just seems kind of distracting. It kind of dumbs down the effort. It kind of dumbs down his like vocal ability in a way when he's saying virtually nonsense. Like he's basically saying rubbish here, and I get the vibe of the song. I get the fact that he's emphasizing on the size of this girl's back and everything. I get all of that. You can be playful with it. I'm not saying the man cannot be playful, but get a little more witty to it. You know what I mean? A little more like, it just feels like this is the first thing off of his mind that he came off of it, and he didn't even try to rewrite the song or to add more like to add more substance to it. It just feels very like, even look at a track like Woman, you can see a lot of sarcasm there, you can see a lot of like, you can see personality from the lyricism that he put on that. Like, I'm comparing it to what he has been able to put out here, so that I'm looking at this song now, it feels like there's no way this is the same Rema that I'm hearing. Like, there's no way it's the same Rema that wrote Woman. How quotable was like, oh, when you enter the room, they can carry your phone. They can carry your phone so they'll not see him on blog. Like a little bits and pieces that brought more excitement to the song. Right now the song is trying so hard to be exciting, to get you in the moment. But at least for my first listen, hey, this is just my first take on it. Like, this is my first listen. At least for my first listen, it feels very juvenile. It feels like it feels so dumbed down, and the production too just felt flat at the same time. There were no breaks, there were no pauses to almost let you build it up. Like, the energy just felt like it was just going for far. It was just energetic for far too long that it felt flat. That it was like it was trying so hard. I mean, and it's sad to say this because this is coming from Don Jazzy, and we all revere as a producer, but like, fam, this one wasn't there, and I'll be very honest, man. I was really feeling this one. But nah, man, I don't know, is it just me? Let me know what you guys think. I just felt like this song could have come a lot harder, even from a production standpoint and from Rema's standpoint as well. Like, fam, a lot could have been done here, and it's sad, man, because this is supposed to get me excited for a debut album. Bro, anyway, chat, let me know what you guys think. Of course, if you're new to this channel, definitely subscribe. Check out the other content that I have here. I have other reviews and reactions. And please, I really want to know what everyone thinks about the song, because I feel like this song will be polarizing. I feel like there'll be a lot of people that extremely love it. There will be a lot of people that would definitely not vibe with it. Same way I feel right now. And let me know what you guys think, chat. I'm really curious. Leave in the comment section. I'm really curious. Like, if you haven't commented on any of my videos, please definitely leave a comment on this one. But anyway, chat, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.